Hello friends, welcome to Mayankal. Today, we're diving into the heart of the digital marketplace with one of the most crucial systems powering our favorite apps and games, the Google Play billing system. But what exactly is the Google Play billing system? Let's break it down. At its core, Google Play billing system is the engine that drives the transactions within the Google Play Store. Imagine this: you're browsing through your favorite app or game, and you stumble upon some premium features or exclusive content that you just can't resist. That's where the Google Play billing system comes into play. Whether it's unlocking new levels, removing ads, or subscribing to a monthly service, the Google Play billing system seamlessly facilitates these transactions, ensuring a smooth and secure payment process. Now, you might be wondering, is it safe? Absolutely. Google Play billing system adheres to stringent security standards, encrypting your payment information and safeguarding your transactions against any unauthorized access. But it's not just about security, it's also about convenience. With Google Play billing system, you can make purchases with just a few taps, eliminating the hassle of entering your payment details every time. Plus, Google Play billing system offers a variety of payment options, including credit/debit cards, carrier billing, and even gift cards, catering to your preferences and making the experience more accessible for everyone. So, whether you're a developer looking to monetize your app or a user exploring the vast digital landscape, the Google Play billing system is the backbone that powers it all, making transactions seamless, secure, and oh so convenient. And there you have it, folks. The Google Play billing system demystified. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Until next time, happy exploring.